my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I have a 3-in-1 for you. I am going to show you how to make one mixture, one DIY facial mixture that you can use as a facial mask, a facial scrub, and also as a facial cleanser. This mixture is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This mixture also will help to clear pigmentation on the skin. It will help to soften the skin, get rid of rough, dull looking skin for a more radiant, glowing skin. The mixture is also great for cleansing the skin, especially if you have normal to oily skin. It is very oil absorbing and it will just leave the skin smooth without the greasy feel. This mixture is also great if you have large open pores. It will have to clean those pores out. And what I like best about this mixture is that it have to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. It have to reduce the fine lines on the face. It also have to get rid of the deep parentheses. It have to tighten the sagging jawline. And guess what, guys? It is also great for the neck and décolleté. So if you're looking for one mixture that you can whip up and take it along with you wherever you go, so that at all time you have your facial remedy, your facial treatment, your facial care with you, then this video is for you. Now let's get in the kitchen, guys. Before I go, however, if this is your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. We're also asking you to click on that little bell icon at the side. When you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone, you will get a notification right as I upload that video. In that way, you will never miss another one of my videos. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's get in the kitchen. Now with that out of the way, guys, let's jump in the kitchen and start whipping this up. To make the recipe, now let's take a look at the ingredient you're going to need. The first ingredient is oatmeal, and you can choose to use any type of oatmeal for this recipe. We're using the oatmeal because of its amazing properties for the skin. It helps to moisturize, protects, exfoliate, and cleanse your skin. Oatmeal also helps to boost collagen production, improve skin complexion, and reduce skin inflammation. You can use it in your bath, use it to make a paste for a face mask, or use it as a gentle cleanser like we're doing here today. My second ingredient is orange peel. And here I have dried orange peel. We're using the orange peel because it helps to lighten and brighten the skin naturally. It aids in cleansing your skin and fighting acne. It can hydrate and moisturize your skin. It helps in toning your skin. It prevents oxidative stress on your skin cells and keeps signs of aging at bay. My next ingredient is green tea. And today I'm going to be using a tea bag. However, you can use loose leaf. I'm using the green tea because green tea helps fight inflammation and slow the aging of cells. It can also lessen wrinkle development and make your skin appear brighter and younger and also fresher looking. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for my oatmeal. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oatmeal to a blender. I'm using a small blender. If you do not have a blender, a grinder will do. Next, we're going to reach for the orange peel. And I'm just going to break the orange peel in small pieces and add it to the blender. You can also choose to blend the orange peel separately and use at least a teaspoon of the orange peel in this mixture. Now let's reach for our green tea. And I'm using the tea bag. However, if you do not have the tea bag, go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of the loose leaves. And now let's pour this in. Now, if you do not have green tea, you can choose to use some black tea. You can choose to use some matcha powder, or you can choose to use some chamomile to replace the green tea. And now we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. We're blending it to a powder. Now, once this is blended, let me reach for a small bowl. And I'm going to pour this in a small bowl. Let's pour this in. And once this is done, take a look.
Let's give this a little mix right here. And here we have in our bowl, we have some oatmeal, we have orange peel, and we have green tea. This is your powdered form that you are going to use to make your facial wash, your facial scrub, and your facial mask. What I like about this is that you can take it wherever you go. Store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and this will last up to 6 months. To make a facial mask, you're going to mix this a tablespoon with liquid of choice, whether you're using milk, soy milk, orange juice, or even some grapefruit juice. If you're making a facial scrub, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the mixture to about a teaspoon of coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, any oil of choice. And if you are using it to make a facial cleanser, you just take about a teaspoon in your hands and then add some water to it or some milk and just use that to wash your face. An amazing combination of ingredients that is great for most skin type.
And there you have it, a simple remedy, a simple natural remedy that you can use as a facial mask, a facial scrub, and as a facial cleanser. Choose however you want to use it. Make sure that is the base. And the fun about this is that there's no excuse because you can use liquid of choice, you can use oil of choice to make this recipe. What I'm asking you to do is just to use it up, especially if you're just starting out and you're looking for fast results. You're looking to brighten that skin. You're looking to lift, tighten, and firm that skin. You are looking to get your skin to look years younger. This is for you. So whip it up, make it up, and guess what you do? Share this video on your social media page so others might reap the benefit of using this mask on their skin, this scrub, this cleanser. And guess what, guys? Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video with more skincare tips just for you.